Welcome to Joyful Living DMV. We invest in real estate. Don't forget to subscribe to Joyful Living DMV YouTube channel and visit us online at joyfullivingdmv.com.
Hi, this is Kathy Corley with Joyful Living, and we are getting ready to do our cleaning day discussion here at the Lutherville Live Rehab series. And you know, a lot of people put their properties on the market without having cleaned them. We just do not do that. We don't believe that we're going to get top dollar and the maximum for our property if we don't clean it. We can stage it, we can have great pictures, but it's really not going to look the best if we don't take time to clean. So starting out in the living room and dining room, we're going to go ahead and we're going to dust the walls and the trim, and we're going to dust the hardwoods, and then we're going to go through and just clean everything down. We'll dust those hardwoods a couple times before we actually take the mop to them, and we'll mop them right before we're ready to have staging done, just because that way it's the cleanest it can be before the furniture comes in. And then one of the other things that we do is we go ahead and take care of the fireplace. We'll wipe that all down, clean the tile really nicely, or whatever product they've put up. And then we're going to go ahead and tape off the fireplace and the floor in front of the fireplace, and we're going to use a high heat spray paint and spray that down so that you have that beautiful black interior, so that whatever is put in there just pops. It just really finishes those fireplaces off really well. Then when we go into the kitchen, in the kitchen there's quite a bit to do, actually. You're going to go ahead and open it up and vacuum out all of the cabinets and the drawers, because there's always lots of, wood in there from where they've drilled out the holes when they're going to place those up. So we go ahead and do that, and then we wipe everything down. Of course, the appliances are brand new, so they're not dirty. They just have fingerprints, so we're going to go ahead and wipe them down. We're going to clean the granite really well, because that has epoxy and all kinds of other good stuff on it. So we're going to get those nice and clean and shiny. And then we're going to wipe down the tile, the backsplash, because even though they've cleaned that when they've gone ahead and done the tiling, there's always places that they've missed. And let's be real, other things splash up there. So we're going to make sure that that's as sparkling as can be as well. Let's go on into the bathroom. Let's check out what we do in one of the bathrooms. Of course, in the bathroom, we're going to do the same thing with the tile. We're going to go ahead and wipe that down, wipe everything down, get it nice and clean. Let's take a look at that window that's right in front of us. We're going to wash all of the windows inside and out. There's nothing like a fresh window. When we have our pictures done, having those nice, freshly cleaned windows is just going to make every picture pop. And ironically, in some of the pictures, people will be able to see outside. And we've had people say to us, "What do you put on your windows to have those pictures out there?" And that's just what's living out there. It's kind of cool. Because people are always going to be using the toilets, and let's face it, even when people are coming to view the property, they're going to be looking and using those toilets in those bathrooms. So we go ahead and put a bleach tap in each one of our toilets. That way it helps keep it fresh and clean, but also that way we don't end up with any kind of odors or anything. We're obviously going to wipe down the mirrors and everything else. And that's basically what we do in the bathrooms. All right, let's head into one of the bedrooms. This is either a kid's room or a guest bedroom. It could be whatever the new owners are going to make it. We're going to do the same things, the walls, the mop boards, the trim, etc. We're going to do the windows. We're also going to go ahead and open up the closets vacuum them out, wipe them out, because ironically, that's where we find the most stuff from the contractors. If they've lost something or can't find it, I go look in the closets because inevitably that's where I'm going to find it.
Thank you for watching. We ask that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Joyful Living DMV, to automatically see our latest videos.